Hey everybody, Joe here. Want to check out a puzzle today by Raygun Ultra. It's called Duplicate Connections. And we have normal Sudoku rules apply. That is 1 to 9 in every row, column, and 3 by 3 box. The gray lines are palindrome lines, i.e. they contain the same digits backward and forward. Digits separated by a white dot are consecutive, and digits separated by a black dot have a 2 to 1 ratio, i.e. one is double the other. Digits along an arrow sum to the digit in that arrow's circle. We have one arrow. Okay, so here in this crop key, it obviously it has to be comprised of 1, 2, 4, 8. Um, I guess the short version is 3, 6 won't work because you'd have 2 3s or 2 6s. So since we can't repeat digits, then 1 8 must also come out of the middle. So it can be 1 2 4, 8 4 2, whatever, 4 2 1, 2 4 8. But it will be 3 of 4 of those, combo. 3 out of 4 of them. Alright, so this one can be 1 2 3 5 7 9. Okay, that is a lot. Alright, let me think of these palindromes. So we can probably... This one, actually, let's use... It'd probably be much more easier if I just start doing it from down here and work up. Because we know all of these are different digits. So this one goes there. This one goes there. This one goes there. This one goes there. This one there. This one there. And then do I want to do this one? Sure. Let's make that blue. So what is missing? Okay, so dark blue is missing. So it goes there. And then what else is missing? Red goes there. And then the last one is I have not colored yet. So that is everything in that box at least. Let's see. Let's try to map some of these around. So dark blue by Sudoku goes there. Is there anything else? Light pink is in one of these. So if it's there, it's there. So that one cannot be light pink. This one could be. That one could be. Oh, wait. That is wrong. I already have dark blue there. What did I do here? I think I just made a mistake. That's all there is to that. Alright. Light pink does go up there. Yellow is one of those. If yellow is there, it goes there. That would be okay. What else? Let me think about some of these dots, maybe. Again, maybe not. light blue is down here. If this is, where does that go if it is light blue? This line is so long. So this digit goes here. So it cannot be light blue, and it can only be one other digit as we have every single one in the row, or the column rather. And I said it goes, uh-oh. Did I do that right? Apparently not. This is there. 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 That is there. That is there. That cannot be light blue or purple. I've made a mistake. Fair enough. I must have made a mistake on my coloring. Let me resolve that the quickest way I know how, restarting. Alright, these do have to all be different colors so far because they are on the same vertical. This one can't be red, can't be green. This one could be blue. Since my error, it probably is. But that's kind of an unfortunate way to find that out. But it is possible for that to be blue. And I know if it is a new color, how this plays out. It puts the new color and the other new color, as in that would be light blue and purple. And then neither one of these could be light blue or purple. So this is dark blue. So left to put in the box is red, light blue, purple. Okay. This, okay, this cannot be 3, 6. Because it is here also on a black. And that would be 3, 6 going up this way and 3, 6 going up this way. It also cannot be 8. Because then it would be 8, 4 here, 8, 4 here. So that cannot be 3, 6, or 8. So it is 1, 2, or 4. However, this one could be 8 at the moment. Although it won't be 8 because this is consecutive. So I think this will have to be a 2 then. I think that's what that's telling me. If it's... Yeah, I think that's the only way that could work. So, oh yeah, for sure. So it's one or two. And then one or two. Ah, but this one will have to be four then. Because one and two are obviously right there. So this one must be four. So now we have two, one, and two to make all of the Kropke dots work. So this will be three or five. And red. Red cannot be one. Why did I find that to be important? Right, because now that cannot be red. If this was red, one would go here. Or, sorry, if one was red, then one would go there, and this would have to be two. And it's already in the column. So this cannot be red, that cannot be red. That is red. Now red will be in one of those. And now we have the other two colors. I guess I could go ahead and just mark them. Okay. Light pink is still at the top column of box 4. I lost these marks earlier. Oh, now when it came to this, it can't be purple, but now it can be light blue because of my initial mistake there, thinking that that was a different digit, and giving it the wrong color. So this is purple. Can that be light blue or dark blue? It can be either one. Although I guess that could be like 3 maybe. 2, 4. Yeah, that might work. But this can't be 1, because this would have to be 2 and it's not dark blue. Okay. What about working this way now? Let me just mark what this could be. Let's see how many that... Actually, that's going to give me a ton, isn't it? It's going to be way more than I want to put up with. It can be 4 possible colors. Okay. Never mind that one. Let's see. This is 5, 6 colors. Where does this one go? That's the fourth one. So it'd be 7. Okay, this can only be 2 colors, which is bright pink and green. Okay. Does this make a little repeat like that one did? Possible. Cannot be 3 for what that's worth. It's 5 or higher. If this was 5, that would be 6. That 2 is okay. The arrow. Don't think I'm quite ready for that. It's 5 or higher as well. That could be green. Where would that put it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That could not work. That cannot be green. It would mess up the Sudoku of things. Oh wait, how did I get that? I was checking this one. If that was green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be there. So it would put it there. And that would definitely break it. So that cannot be green. So this either counts down, down, or up, up. Don't know how interesting that is at the moment. What else could this not be? It cannot be, would be here and here. Cannot be red, cannot be green, cannot be blue, cannot be light pink, cannot be yellow, cannot be bright pink. Brown or purple. If it was brown, brown would go up there. If it was purple, purple would go up there. That seems to be all good. Hesitant to mark that though, because I don't want little multiple colored cells everywhere unless I really need to. One of these are green. Can green be consecutive to red? I suppose it could. Oh, I can fill in some of these. I didn't even think to do. There is a one up here, which is light blue. There's a dark blue down here. Just 2. This can no longer be... Oh no, it could still be 5 if that was 2 and that was 3. That would have to be 4 though. That could be yellow. So that might be okay. There's yellow over here. Oh yeah, that's an idea. Doing a little bit of Sudoku. This one cannot be light blue because it would be there. Oh, and this one cannot be light pink because it would be there. So those come out. So does the one. Light blue is up here. If it goes there, then that is dark blue. That would be fine. If it goes here, it goes there. So it does not go there. What about this? Can I get anything from that? Cannot be red, cannot be green, cannot be dark blue, cannot be light pink, cannot be yellow. Can be bright pink, can be brown, or purple. 3 possible colors. Light blue here would be there, would be in one of those, and it would be right there. That would put it there, and there. That would work. Could work. That would be dark blue. Dark blue could it be in one of those. Could be in one of those. Or oh yeah, yeah. That is possible. Let's see what making a pattern with our palindrome somewhere. One, two, three, light pink. That seems like it would be possible. Light pink here would be there. Be looking like that. But that does look possible. If this was light blue, that was dark blue. Could purple be 3 still? Oh, purple cannot be 3. Purple cannot be 3 because then red would have to be 4. And red's right there next to 4. So it can't be 3. It's already not 1. So this cannot be 2. So we're at 4, 2, 1, or 8, 4, 2. So this is light blue or dark blue. Dark blue is in one of these though. Dark blue is in one of those. And 4 is in one of those. Which puts 4 down here. If 4 is here, that one is 3. That would be okay. Let me just mark brown 3 or 5. Might as well. If purple is 5, because it can't be 3 still. If purple is 5, but then that could be, well, that would have to be 6. So it could be, it would be 5, 6, 3. So that would be 6, 5, or 7. 6, 7, 8, maybe. Something like that. Neither one of these can be 4. Oh wait, that's not true. Oh, no, it is true. Neither one of those can be 4. Not enough, though. Okay. Sudoku? Or maybe light blue? If that is light blue, goes there. Then it would not be able to go here because it would be there. And then this would have no fill. Be like that. But that looks to be fine. Oh, well, what am I doing right here? I know 1 can't go here, but I do know that 1 is on here, so I know that 2 has to go on here. So that is indeed dark blue. Now dark blue cannot go there. Now dark blue cannot go there, so it will be one of those. And this will be 2, 1. Whoops. Two will be up here. to, where does this one equate to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That could work. Otherwise, it is here, which probably could also work. Probably won't give me an answer on that. Nah. Could be either way around, yeah. Probably depending on some of these other crop keys eventually. Okay. So, okay, let me try this again then, since I have a purple. I don't remember what this was the last time I checked it, what its possibles were, but it cannot be red. Oh, it can still be green. It can be yellow. And light blue. It can't be light blue. Green or yellow. Okay. This is 6 or higher now. For whatever that is worth. It can't be 6 actually. Let me just mark this. It is 7, 8, or 9. It can't be 6 because 1 and 2 are both down here. Same reason it can't be 5. So if it is 7, it looks like it would be 4, 3. If it is 8, it would be 5, 3. If it is 9, it could be 5, 4 or 6, 3. So nothing is really for sure there. Okay, where else? Do you have any idea how many possibles are for 4? Green, light pink. Oh, it's gonna be a ton, isn't it? Maybe not a ton, but 4. Oh, it can't be purple though. So only 3. But I know light pink is on 2 or 3, which is here or here. And I know 4 is down there, so it can't be light pink. If it was yellow, that could be 3 or 5. That was okay. Or rather, oh yeah, yeah. If it's yellow, it goes there. It would make that 3 or 5. That is good. I mean, could be a possibility. Or if it's yellow, it would also have to go there. Because this one copies up to there. Um, that might be okay though. So 4 is either there or there. If this is 4, if green is 4, that would be 3, 5. And then that would be 4, 6. That also seems okay. And if it was green again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh, if 4 is green, that doesn't seem to work. Well, that's too many what ifs, really. Because I'm saying if 4 is green and that is also green. That is what I just checked, wasn't it? If this is green, it cannot be that one because it would be there. So that would be green. And what was I saying from that point? I guess I kind of have to include 4 being a part of it. But I'm asking first if this is green. It's too many. Too many variables. Dark blue is down here. Oh, right, and it could have been, I just didn't mark it. If it's here, it goes there. So it goes there, right. I remember. Purple is making a combo right there with light blue because of this and that. And those being taken. Because that was unable, yeah, that's unable to be purple because 4 goes in one of those. Okay. So, in that case, purple, can purple go right here? That is the center. So it most definitely can. What is this, anyway? I said it could not be 3, so it can only be 5, 7, 9 at the moment. If it was 9, that would be 8. If it was 5, then red would be 6. That's probably all right. If it's 7 or 9, if it is 7 or 9, red would be 8. If purple is 5, red would be 6. Okay. Purple was also down here. If that, oh yeah, that was the center of this line. If purple goes here, it would be sitting next to red, which is totally fine. Red could sit next to a different number though, as well, no problem. Red is not, oh, well, red's not either of these, I can say that. So red is in one of these. Ah, right, and red cannot be there because it would be there. So that is not red, and this now has to be red, and it cannot be 4. So it is 8, because that is the only other digit it can be. So that is 8. Now, purple is not 5, but not resolved either. But that does give me the 4, and then the dark blue 2. I don't know the color of 4 yet, but that will come shortly, probably. So it's also putting light blue somewhere here. And since light blue is somewhere there, then there's nothing at the top row yet. Light blue is already here, so light blue can only go there. And now light blue is in one of these and one of these. But I'll mark these at least. So it's light blue. If this was light blue yellow, if it was light blue, this would have to be dark blue. So that cannot be light blue. So that is light blue. What is this one? That'll probably mess that up. 1, 2, 3, 4. If light blue is here, it is here. That would be gooped. So light blue is there. And now light blue. Oh, light blue has to copy over there anyway. So that is correct. Those are 1. It'll give me that location as well. Purple is here now. Can red go with it? Red will be over here, so I mean that's very likely. This number copies here. If this is red, if that is red, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, it would go there. Then it would have to go there. Where would that put it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that cannot be red. That is not red. Purple would probably not enough info for that. Purple could be next to red, but doesn't have to be again. It could be well, if it's 9, it would. But if it is 7, it could be 6. But that's only if that's purple, even. Okay. So is this yellow? What's left in this, row, maybe? There's a green somewhere. A bright pink somewhere. This copies to there. Okay, so green, bright pink, green or bright pink only. We also have 2 out of the 3 in this column. What's left overall in this column? A green and a yellow. Which would... That's not all 4 though. Something else goes in this column. Red, green, light pink, isn't it? One of these is light pink. Light pink can't go here because it would put it there. But I said earlier that 4 can only be green or yellow. So that is light pink. This is 2 and 3, so light pink will go on one of those. And then somewhere up here. So these are going to be green and yellow. This will make green and yellow for that row. A combo wombo for that row. Red and purple are over here. What's the other 2? Can't be red, can't be green, can't be blue. It can be light pink or bright pink. There's not a brown either. Oh yeah, there is. Light pink or bright pink. And then one of them will go over there. Light pink or bright pink. If light pink was here, it would go there and there. There. Light pink would be right there. And that would be a green or yellow. Light pink would be 7, 8, or 9. That seems fine, though, I think. Or it'd be 7 or 9, rather. But it still seems fine. And that was if that was light pink. Okay. Bright pink was the other option. Well, that's light pink or bright pink then. Bright pink could go there as well, though. And then I guess it could be on this line, though. In 4, maybe. Is that 2? Oh, it would have to be, actually. If that is bright pink. So it would go there. And then don't think it would go here, because that one goes there. So it'd be there. It'd be like that. But that seems okay also. Light pink would have to be kind of a lower number, somewhat. Seven cannot be on this line. 8 cannot be on this line. Oh, red is 8. Now this is 7 or 9. Is that going to make this? That could be 7. That could be 6. And that could be 8. And then this would be 5, 3. So brown would go there. I think all of that would work, though. Don't know the other 7, 9 yet. So not quite helped there. Green. If 4 was over here. What is over here? This is a known triple. It is yellow, green, and brown. We'll have a light pink and bright pink. The other light pink or bright pink would be over there. Are those on a light pink or bright pink? I don't see them on a consecutive or anything though. This one copies to there. I don't really want to mark that bright pink as well though, just all by itself. Don't really like that one like that either. Oh, and I also... Oh, yeah, okay, that's fair, I guess. Um, this is yellow or green though, only. Oh, this one. If this is yellow, then that is green. But then yellow would be right there as also. So same goes the other way around. This cannot be yellow or green. So this will be. And now this will be whatever's left. Which is what color is left? Bright pink. So bright pink is 4, which is here. Now it goes in one of those, so it goes in one of those. That's okay. It's in one of these. Is bright pink on a... I don't think bright pink is on a consecutive yet. No idea what number it is. Good, good. Am I missing some crop key stuff? Quite possibly. If this is, oh no, I think I already went through that. Uh, I doubt bright pink can go here. That one copies there, so no. So it's either there or there, which is fine. Whatever goes here goes there. This is bright pink. It has to go there. And it would be, I guess, bright pink and light pink could be. Green. Can green go here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If green goes here, it goes there. But then it would have to go there and there. So that would be broke. So green has to go here. Now this is yellow. This is green. 4 is now yellow. 4 is also not on the, well, green is there. That is 4. This is not. If this is 4, green or brown is 3. That would be okay. Let's get a 4 in these. Not a delete button. This is 3 or 5. Doesn't necessarily make it brown. Yellow. Or yellow could go there as well. It does go somewhere over here. Could go there, helping with the... Actually, since I have 3 or 5s there, only, this is 4, 5, 6. And that's it. If this is 3, that can be 4, 5, or 6. If that is 5, it can only be 4. Okay, so that it could be yellow. Yellow is in this column. Yellow could go there even. And be there. That would put dark blue there. That put that as pink. And then that as pink. Then pink would go there and there. That is all good. Yellow is in the center here. That is a triple. Dark blue, yellow, bright pink. So I know the 3 colors over here, which is light, brown, purple. Now I should know this one, which is red. That will be in 3, which is there. This is now not red. This one is red now. Red is 8. Okay, now that 8 came out. So this cannot be 5. If it was 3, 4, 6. If it's 5, 4 only. Alright. Is that all of 8? Yeah. After I do this right here. So that's 8-9 combo. Or 7-9 combo. Okay. What about this one? It goes to there. Dark purple. Light pink. Or brown. All 3 are okay there. This one, there's only 2 colors left in this row. That is brown and purple. Then step 5. Do I know this? Oh, that has to be... How did purple come out of here? Oh, wait, why is purple not available here? It can't be there. It could be here, though, could it not? Why did I not have this as purple? I'm unsure, so I'm going to put it there. Purple does go in one of these. I just checked that, didn't I? If that is purple, that's purple, that's purple, then that would be purple, that would be purple. So that would be broken. So that cannot be purple. Do you know that now? So that one is purple, it'll be 7 or 9. Purple is there now. Now purple cannot be there. So it will be in one of these. Purple comes out of the corner. Can't be there also probably. It would be there, so it comes out of there. It goes exactly there. It'll go there and copy to there. Oh, no, it could not. If it goes here, it copies there, and now this has no fill. So it must go there, and then there, and now there. So this will be... I know purple's 7-9, so I know that's 7-9. I don't know the color of it yet. Should I know the color? It's light pink or bright pink. And so was that one. And now this one will be. Now this one will not be. And there's only one left, which is brown. So brown goes there, comes out of there, it goes there. This one went here, I believe, next to bright pink. That is correct. So brown comes out of there, it goes there. That was green. Now this is yellow. Yellow is 4. And now this is yellow. This one cannot be yellow now because it goes there. So that, oops, is yellow. This is not. So it became dark blue, which goes there. This is not yellow. This is yellow. This is bright pink. Dark blue, copied there, good. Bright pink. Send one of bright pink is right there. Only thing left in the column. Bright pink is not 4. So it will become 6. And it will be that one. Because that one is 7 and 9. So that is now bright pink. So is that. This one is light pink, which is 3, so there. Get these copied over. I think everything looks decent there. This is 3 or 5. Okay, there's my other 3 or 5 in green. Brown was the other one. So this is green or brown, and it cannot be green, so that is brown. Now this will be light pink, that will be brown. Light pink copies over to by brown. Row. How is that possible? That is 4. That is 4. Light pink wants to go there, which is not... Oh wait, why did I put 3, 5 in light pink? Light pink is 7, 9. Where did I get my green? Must have had the wrong thing selected. Oh, that's a shame. Green goes here then. I don't know why I had that marked 3-5. Anywho, light pink is okay to be in there now. I marked that one as well. Why? Alright, this only has one. What's left up here? Light pink is one. It goes there. And then green. Blue is one. Do I have all my colors done? I don't think I have any hashes left. Which is good. This cannot be 5. So brown is going to be 3. Oops. Green is going to be 5. Makes purple 9. And it makes this one 7. And I think that is going to do it. That was a very nice puzzle. I did enjoy that. Mapping everything around with the big, huge palindromes. That was, I guess it started on these, Kropkis in a way. And then getting everything mapped. That was pretty cool. That is Duplicate Connections by Raygun Ultra. Give it a check. There will be a link below. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.